welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to temporarily suspend BitLocker protection. This can be especially helpful when performing system updates or making significant changes to your computer. First, go to the control panel on your computer. You can find it by searching Control Panel in the Start menu. In the Control Panel, locate System and Security, and then click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Locate the BitLocker encrypted system drive, and click on Suspend Protection. Confirm your choice if prompted. With BitLocker suspended, you can now proceed with your system updates, or any changes you need to make. After completing your updates, return to the BitLocker settings and click Resume Protection to re-enable BitLocker. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure your updates go smoothly while keeping your data protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.